Right now, at this very second, the world is slowly coming to a standstill for you. The noise of the life outside, the city lights, the rush of tomorrow, all of them have remained outside the walls of your room in a very distant kingdom. This is Noctis Lumen. This is your safest harbor. Tonight, we will embark on a journey together. But you will not get tired on this journey. You will not take a step. We will simply push open the silver gates of your mind. People call this science, but I call it the night lullaby of your soul. You will listen like a fairy tale to why dreams exist and in which secret gardens our hearts wander while we sleep. Now, feel the cool side of your pillow. Let the air filling your lungs take away all the weight inside you, all the burden on your shoulders like smoke. Your eyelids are growing heavy. They are now velvet curtains drawn between you and the world. If you are ready, we begin the whispered secrets of dreams, the most beautiful fairy tale of your mind. Did you know, when you sleep, your mind actually puts on its most beautiful, elegant dress and gets to work? Scientists call this memory cleaning, but let's call it the compassionate gardener within your mind. It gently cleans the dust that has settled on you throughout the day, those small moments that upset you, with a soft brush when night falls. While you are in a deep sleep, your brain wanders through your memories. It takes those beautiful moments that made you smile, that warmed your heart. It puts them in gold-leafed boxes and places them on the brightest shelf of your memory. As for the memories that sadden or tire you, it drifts them away from you like releasing them into the current of a river. Dreams are the sound of this cleansing, the sound of your soul being washed. You know how sometimes when you wake up in the morning, you feel that something that hurt you so much last night doesn't hurt that much anymore? That is the gift of that gardener to you. It repaired your heart while you slept. And one more secret. Sometimes in your dreams, you see very complex places you have never known. Huge libraries, endless staircases. This is your mind's way of showing you how vast you are. You are so limitless that you can build entire worlds inside. And what about those faces, those people you see in your dreams who smile at you, reach out to you, but whose names you never remember? Who are they? Don't be afraid. They are not strangers. They are the guests of your gallery of lost faces. Your mind is such a magnificent artist that it records everyone you have passed by throughout your life. Maybe an old man you saw at a bus stop 5 years ago. Maybe a child running past you in the park. Your brain never throws away a single face that your eyes have touched with love curiosity, or just by chance. It keeps them. And so that you don't feel lonely at night, it brings them onto the stage like actors in your dreams. The crowds in your dreams are actually your memory's way of telling you, you are not alone. We are here. And time in dreams. Ah, time is like water there. In the world, clocks tick-tock, metallic and cold. But in your dreams, time melts. In a short sleep of 5 minutes, your mind can make you experience an adventure lasting months. Because in the dream realm, the sun does not rise, clocks are not wound. There are only feelings there. If you are happy, that moment lasts forever. Dreams are your soul's way of taking revenge on time. It is the only place where you can taste eternity. Now, start to feel as light as a feather. We're coming to the biggest secret of dreams, flying. Remember that feeling when you see your feet lifted off the ground in your dream, remaining tiny under the clouds, trees, and cities? This is not just a fantasy. This is your mind's rebellion against gravity. It is the moment when the heavy burden of responsibilities, worries, and gravity that you carry on your shoulders all day long disappears. Your mind whispers to you, "Look, you are actually so light. Nothing is holding you back." And while you are gliding in that sky, your body is safe in your bed. Science calls this sleep paralysis, but let's call it mother's embrace. While you climb the highest mountains or cross oceans in your dream, your brain gently wraps around your body. You stay safe here, it says. Your soul has gone for a walk, but your body is under my protection. Being unable to move is not a scary thing. It is that tight, safe blanket nature wraps around you. It embraces you so you don't fall, so you don't get hurt. Now the words are slowing. We walked in the garden of your mind. We greeted the faces. We went above the clouds. Now it is time to rest. There is nothing left to learn, to understand, to solve. There is only peace. There is only your breath. These pieces of information you heard have been planted like seeds in the depths of your mind. They will sprout while you sleep, making you a wiser, calmer, more peaceful person. The silver gate of dreams is wide open. Inside is warm. Inside is bright. Noctis Lumen is slowly dimming its light for you. This is not darkness. This is a velvet peace. Let yourself go. You are safe. You are very, very safe. Good night, sweet dreams.